Are you dreaming for getting job in Singapore? If yes, then this video is for you because I'm gonna share the proven technique and method that will help you to get dream job in Singapore. This technique me and my husband already tried and it's really worked because my husband is gonna change his new job soon. Using this method also I have tried my friends or relatives and it's really helped them to get new job in Singapore. And moreover, my subscriber have requested if you have any recruiter to contact, you have how to get the work visa, how to get the job. So this video is long waited and that's what I'm preparing for this video. This video is also helpful for them who are really trying for a long time but not able to get the dream job. So this video will help them what is the recommended and suggested way so that they can apply for getting job in Singapore. So before starting for the video, let me share something about me and my husband. We both working in Singapore for almost 13 years and we both are in IT organizations where we are supporting as an administrator. We are really working in technical field. Let me tell you the short process, how the process is. First, you need to approach to the recruiter or recruiter will approach to you. Interview schedule call. And the another part is, guys, if you are looking my kids behind, please ignore them because I'm trying to get some time to make these videos because I know nowadays with kids it's really difficult, but please ignore them. You need to approach to recruiter or recruiter will approach to you, so you should have some kind of platform. You should get the call or you should come in front of your profile should highlight in front of the recruiter so that it will help you to get the more possible way. At least this will help to increase your 50 to 60% chance to get interview schedule. So before starting, or let me tell all these methods and practical technique. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe, and if you are coming to this channel and frequently watching, please like this video. This video and subscribing and liking is really free for you, but this is really help to motivate me to share my 13 year of experience in Singapore so that it will make other life easy. So the first thing is you should have the approach. So I would recommend to use LinkedIn because nowadays LinkedIn is a really official platform where employer and employee both are coming at one platform. They are registering and they are looking and they're trying to interact. So go and create your LinkedIn profile if you don't have, and moreover install your mobile LinkedIn application, because let's say if some recruiter may want to approach you or you may want to apply for a job, it may be very quick. Second thing, go and create your profile if you don't have. Put all the certifications, experience, technical knowledge, what kind of trainings you have done. Put everything. Another trick is just add the keyword. Like if you are administrator is very common word. So if you are Windows administrator, you can add the clustering, HA. So all these keywords you can add, OpenShift, Kubernetes. So these kind of words, like what you are working, you can add this keyword so that this will help you to bring your profile on top of the other profiles, and definitely this will increase your visibility to the recruiter. Another very important point, you can take the LinkedIn premium subscription, which is free for 1 month. Then consecutively you will be charged, depends how much charge or which country you are. If you really wanted to take, just go for it, or if you want to cancel before completion of 1 month, just cancel it. Usually when we want to see how the market in Singapore or what is the job status going on, so we usually take 1 month premium and then we cancel it. If you are eagerly waiting, this 1 month really helpful for you. So depends how eagerly you are searching for the job. After you take premium, you can try to approach the recruiter, and you can see from their job posts who are like, let's say for example Microsoft website. If you know any specific recruiter, you may follow. So if when they are posting any kind of job, you maybe quickly respond to them and you can show your interest. You can also search for the jobs opening what you have and you can try. Then down there will be options where you can approach to other recruiters saying like, I am interested for this job, is it possible to schedule for the interview? So all these things you can ask from the recruiter, and if recruiter is interested, definitely you can both have a call to communicate, and then further your interview can schedule. This is the first step, important steps for employer are using in Singapore, which is LinkedIn. Then comes to the interactions part. So interactions, I would suggest like you can even pro to your ex-colleague, like if you know already your ex-colleague working in a very good organization and there is a posting there, you may approach to them, ask for their help. If you can help to arrange an interview, then from there maybe your friend or colleague maybe help to apply for your refer for you. This is called the reference technique, which is really work, and 90% people in Singapore get job because of this reference. And let me tell you, my husband also got his next job because of this reference method, where he approached his ex-colleague, both way, one way, two way. You may approach your colleague, may approach any of the way, depends how the urgency of the job position is. Then from there he got the job offer, and he's in progress of changing it. You also can try to approach to the recruiter. You may follow them, and from there you may go and try to approach them. And if recruiter also interested in your profile, they also can try to approach to you. And another is most important thing is sometimes when we apply on the job portal, it will take us to the organization website. Sometimes me and my husband, we get very lazy, we don't go to the website because it's long, your name, your profile, your educations, your experience, all details you need to fill. That is very troublesome and time taking. Sometimes we say okay, later maybe we will be filling. So later means later it will gone. So what you need to do, take your time in a day, maybe half an hour, 1 hour, go through all the job posts. If it is asking you to take you to the next website or the organization website, go and fill the form there. If possible, go to that company website, enable the job notification. For example, Microsoft or Google, you can enable the notification, and from there you will get the notification. So before employer post on the LinkedIn, you will get the notification, which is very helpful. This will increase your chance of getting the interview call from the employer. 30 to 40% it will help you to increase your chance. And then from there you can quickly go to that email notifications and apply. If you have already registered, they will be using your profile, like what profile you're using. Sorry, please ignore my kids, they are playing. They are really cooperative because they are letting me to create videos. I should appreciate this, my kids. I'm not telling because they are my kids, I'm telling because they are so cooperative, and every time when I ask them to sit down, they sit down quietly, they don't make any noise. So once you enable the notification on the organization website, you will get the email notifications stating what are the posts on here. Then from there try to apply. This will help you increase your 30 to 40% chance than others to bring in front of the recruiter. So guys, so this is the first method, like how to highlight in front of the recruiter. And then from there you can help you schedule your interview, find or choose your interview date, and you can be agreed. Then from there you can try to schedule your interview. And the most important thing, you have to upgrade your skill. We are in IT field almost 13 years, and we have seen the changes, what changes we are going through. In this video I'm not gonna share all these things, but you make sure you are trying to upgrade your skill time by time. So I'm going to prepare the next or another video, like what are the courses I would suggest you to do to come to Singapore. This will help you to get the job in IT field. And if you're already from the IT field, maybe you can try to polish your skill or you can brush your knowledge. All this will help you to get job in Singapore. Definitely will increase the percentage of getting job in Singapore. One of my relative tried this method to get the job, new company, and that is very good company. Saw from the LinkedIn, and from there he went to the company website, he registered there, he enabled notifications. He was monitoring all the job posts very frequently, and one day his interview got scheduled. So this is how my friend relatives are trying to approach to the recruiter. For other people, try to approach them, so that helps you to increase the possibility. And these are the proven method, because my husband, my other friends, or even my brother who's staying in Singapore also have tried this method, and definitely we have tried. You also may get your dream job. I hope this video is very informative. Do let me know if this method and technique are really helping you. If it is really helping, you may comment or you may approach to me. I will definitely say congrats to you for getting job and coming to Singapore. We will welcome you. Thank you very much. Until the time, take care. Bye bye.